You're not broke because the world is unfair. You're broke because you make broke decisions. Every single day. Let's stop pretending. It's not your boss. It's not the economy. It's you. You waste money trying to look rich instead of actually getting rich. You say, I deserve this, when you haven't earned a shard. You binge Netflix more than you binge learning. Here's the first harsh truth. You want comfort more than you want freedom. And comfort is expensive. Scrolling, snacking, shopping, it's all keeping you broke and numb. Second truth. You treat time like it's infinite, and money like it's scarce. You'll waste 5 hours scrolling, but won't spend 30 minutes learning a high-income skill. You'll drop 1,000 rupees on fast food, but flinch at investing 500 rupees in a course. You're not broke because you don't have money. You're broke because you don't respect money. Want to shift that? Stop thinking like a consumer. Start thinking like a builder. Track every rupee. Study your patterns. Audit your time. Replace I can't afford that with how do I earn enough to afford that? This isn't about luck. This is about choices. Daily, tiny, soul-killing choices. Keep blaming the system, and you'll stay broke. Own your shed, and you might finally escape it. You don't need another motivational quote. You need a mirror, and the guts to be honest with what you see. Now the question is, are you ready to stop being broke? Or do you still want to feel sorry for yourself? Let me know if you'd like this adapted for a voiceover, short reel cuts, or animated visuals.